It's mother versus daughter, battle of the Ipsy Glam Bags. So if you want to see what we got and vote on who's got the better bag, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's sitting next to me, so I'm squished in this forward position. But these are our Ipsy Glam Bags. So if you're new, thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. These are, I have the information as to what they've gone up to now. $15, I think, a month. You get 5 deluxe samples or full-size items. The Secret Garden is the theme, so pretty design. My card has 0 information. I forgot to make choice, so that happened. And hers does have product information. What do you want to pull out first?
This lipstick, I guess.
Okay.
You're gonna have to yak about it, aren't you?
That's What's Up Beauty Egyptian Queen lipstick in Soba. It is it's a deluxe sample. The full size is $22. That looks like a full size.
Yeah.
I mean, if this is a deluxe sample, I don't know. All right, so it's a nude color. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I like it.
It's got a nice, pretty, so do you want to swatch it?
Sure. I'm not swatching from the top though, because it's too pretty.
Okay. I have I guess this is a lippy. Vintage by Jessica. I don't know, I can't read. Can you read that?
Libya skinned.
Okay. Ooh, very pretty.
They're just putting hyaluronic acid in anything these days, aren't they?
Okay. This is a serum mascara. It is by Toy Factory, and they do a lot of skincare in their makeup products. So this is a hyaluronic acid serum mascara. It is a deluxe sample. The full size is $24, but I'm going to try that.
Why would you put hyaluronic acid on your lashes?
Why not?
That can't be good for you.
Yeah, who says it's bad?
Acid
By
lashes.
It's not.
I know it's not actual acid, but it's just something you wouldn't put on your eyelashes.
By Context, I have the brow pomade stick. Doesn't say a color. This looks to be a full-size item. Oh, it's a clear on. There you go. There's clear on, and a little brush. All right, that's neat. I don't think I've ever seen something like that before.
I mean, we do have the brow gel, but
no, but in a stick like that.
Oh, true.
All right, what you got?
Cleansing butter.
Oh, what a coincidence. Me too. So we both have this Elemis Superfood Glow Cleansing Butter. I have used this. I love this product. I actually am almost out of it. So super excited. I have the full size. Super excited to get this. It says that this deluxe sample full size is $42.
Look at this packaging.
Mm-hmm. So this is brought by Reina Reblard. This is an eyeshadow palette. It's the Wet Dry Eye Color Siren palette.
What's a wet dry?
Use it wet or dry, like you could put a little water. This is a full size of $18. To use wet, spray an eyeshadow or eyeliner brush with water and dip it into any shade. It's pretty.
Yeah.
Pretty packaging too. Look at that. Oh, I have the hyaluronic acid mascara as well.
Change your next item?
No, you went first.
Oh, Okay.
Oh. We both got the same thing.
So
this is by Seraphine Botanicals, and it is the Diamante, I don't know, something. It's a beaming highlighter. It's supposed to be like a diamond shine, and it's in the shade Oyster. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $26, and it has intense glimmer of a liquid, yet silky weightlessness of a powder. Should we try it out? Try out yours because we got two of them.
sure. I wish I had a brush because it kind of looks like I'm smearing glitter on my face.
Can I see it so I can show them a little
Give me a second.
swatch?
So here's it on my finger. There. And I put it on my face too. I don't know if you can tell.
All right, so who's got the better bag? We got pretty much the same stuff. The only difference for her was the lipstick and the eyeshadow palette. For me, I got the brow balm and the lip gloss. So let us know whose bag did you like better. And thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.